Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about what wheel spaces are best for your car. Let's go. It is important to use the correct vehicle-specific wheel spacers. The material determines the maximum performance that the spacers can offer. Most importantly, the proper thickness will ensure there is no annoying rubbing issue. Besides, proper spacers give your car a muscular and powerful stance. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. This video can help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day!